Had some requests lately to show some of my little wood stoves in the painted finished form as opposed to the raw metal form. So I'm just taking this opportunity to show this one. Theme of this one is vegan based. I'm building it for a guy that wants it for a little hunting cottage, I guess he has. Or no, I guess, no, it wouldn't be a hunting cottage. Gathering cottage perhaps. Anyways, a couple cool little things. I did for the damper, little carrot. This is made out of an old kind of a punch, because to grind this down would take quite a while, so use that cone shape off a punch and just cut some grooves into it and then gave it that little bend. This is the vegan symbol, and also put a little axe on here as a handle. Kind of a play on the antler stoves and stuff that I would usually do, but vegetable based. And then on the sides I just did some hairpin legs with these cool little vines kind of going up the side, kind of go into V kind of shapes as well. So I paint all the stoves just with high heat kind of barbecue type paint. And what I do is I just paint the whole thing, and then I'll go ahead and grind off or polish off some of the details back down to the steel. These are kind of like supposed to represent type of vine-like thing or growing plants. And yeah, I would just buff this all off. And it, you know, because the stove is so hot, it doesn't really rust the same way that you would imagine it should. It tends to kind of change into just different colors, bluish, reddish, and what have you, and even some dark browns. And it still looks pretty cool. I've had some stoves that are, you know, 3-4 years old, and they're not all rusted. It's, you know, it kind of almost, I don't know why, I assume it's the heat, but it doesn't really make sense, because like an exhaust in a car, I know heat makes it rust like crazy, but maybe that's all the salt and everything. I think it turned out to be a really neat looking stove. It's kind of simple looking, but pretty nice design. I'm pretty happy with it.